Superior vehicles for your superior ride.
Hi, welcome to my new video with new cars review. This car is Audi RS6 Avant.
New 22 inches lightweight wheels plus high-performance tires.
Reduced insulation between engine compartments, the interior, and the rear. Fine-tuning to the engine control unit ECU. Larger turbocharger increase from 2.4 to 2.6 bar boost. More precise handling thanks to optimized self-locking center differential. Sporter exhaust note.
Special interior accents in bed DR blue highlight the exclusive character.
RS Dynamic Package as standard. Eight-speed Tiptronic with faster shifting times. Top speed 305 km H189 mph. Sunroof. Back animation light. Each wheel is 5 kg lighter. Available in 16 exterior colors.